Who or what stands to lose the most from a disruption to NAFTA? Canadian sectors that are most vulnerable include the transportation equipment industry, most notably autos and parts, clothing and textiles, and the food and beverage sector. We also believe that the electrical equipment and appliance industries, as well as computers and electronics, would be notably vulnerable to a disruption of NAFTA. It's a broadly similar story in the US by sector, although the pressure will be a bit less intense. Among US industries, we believe the biggest potential losers would be the transportation equipment sector again, and clothing and textiles, some of the very industries that policymakers are trying to protect. By region, we see Ontario as the most vulnerable province to a breakdown in NAFTA, both because of its close linkages to the US economy and because of its specific industry mix. In the US, while the damage overall would be a little bit lighter, there are still some regions that would be hurt by the termination of NAFTA. We believe that Michigan is clearly a potential loser, along with other border states such as Texas and Vermont. However, some less obvious regions that could face challenges due to the loss of NAFTA would include Kentucky, Tennessee, and Alabama due to their specific industrial mix. Looking beyond regions and sectors, we would assert that the biggest net loser from the termination of NAFTA would in fact be the average consumer in the region. The consumer is often the forgotten or overlooked winner when new trade arrangements come into effect, benefiting from greater choice and more competition. In a similar vein, we suspect that consumers would be the biggest net loser, given higher prices across the region.